In this class, we are going to see how to solve mathematical problem in a simple way. So no need to worry about it. You can easily understand it is logically explained each and every problem. So carefully, without skipping the video, just see complete video and learn how to solve it very easily. If the sum of two numbers is 256 and the difference is 16, then find those two numbers. So for this, we apply a formula: x plus y is equal to 256, x minus y is equal to 16. If you cancel plus y and minus y, then we get 2x. So 2x is equal to the addition of these two. 256 plus 16 is equal to 272. So now let us find 2x is equal to 272. So x is equal to 272 by 2. So what is the answer? 136. And the next number we have to find out, that is 256 minus 136. We got 120. Okay, so the two numbers are 136 and 120. Find the sum of arithmetic series. What is the series given here is 5 plus 11 plus 17 plus 95. How to find this answer? It is very simple. Okay, so there is a formula given to find out the answer for this is Sn is equal to n by 2 divided n by 2 Find the sum of arithmetic series. What is that arithmetic series? 5 plus 11 plus 17 plus 95. This is the given arithmetic series. So how to find out the sum of arithmetic series in the sense? There is a formula. It is a very simple formula. You have to keep in mind. It is Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. So for what is n, we have to find out. N is, there is a formula, L minus A divided by D plus 1. So what is L? L is the last number and A is the first number. So 95 minus 5. Last number minus first number. 95 minus 5 divided by this D. D is difference between the numbers. So 11 minus 5 is 6. So this number we have to put down. Plus 1 is equal to 95 minus 5, it is 90, and divided by 6 plus 1. So if you cut this one, we get 15. So 15 plus 1 is 16. So now we find out the n. So Sn is equal to n. What is the n? 16 divided by 2. 5 plus 95. So if you strike this 2 to this 16, we get 8 is the answer. 5 plus 95, it is 100. So 8 into 100, it is 800. So the answer for this question, which question? Find the sum of arithmetic series is 800. I hope you could have understand. Now let us find out the answer for this sum. What is the problem is? In a class of 20 students, 5 students have scored 76 marks each, 7 students have scored 77 marks each, and 8 students have scored 78 marks each. Then compute the mean of the class. Our problem is compute the mean of the class. So how to find out the mean? See, 5 students, total number of students 20. Among this, 5 students have secured 76 marks each. So let us find out 5 into 76 is equal to 380. Then 7 students have scored 77 marks. So 7 into 77 is equal to 539. Okay, then the rest of the student, that is 8 students have secured 78 marks. So 8 into 78, 624. So now let us sum it. It is 380 plus 539 plus 624. It is 1543. So what is the total number of students? It is 20. So what we have to do for 1543 divided by 20. Let us strike it for 2. 2, if we strike it, we get 10, and here it is 771.5. Okay, now 771.5 divided by 10 is equal to 7715. So the answer, what is the answer? The mean of the class is 77.15. So this is a problem. What is this in the sense? 20% of 25% of 20 is equal to, we have to find it out. So how to find this? That is 20. Okay, 20, let us write 20 into this 20%. How to write 20%? It is 20 divided by 100. Okay, this is percentage, and 100, and one more thing, if you take, it is 25. Okay, so 25%, this is 25%. How to write? 100, let us write. Okay, now we'll get the answer very quickly. How to get in the sense? See, this is, we strike out this one, in the sense we will get 4. Okay, and 4, if we strike out, this is 5, right? And here, if 20 is for strikeout, it is 5. So 5, if we cut it off, we will get the answer 1. So the answer for 20% of 25% of 20 is equal to 1. The answer is 1. So the question given here is the average age of a family. The average age of a family consists of father, mother and a child is 20. If after 7 years the child will be 11. After 7 years the age of the child will be 11. Our question is, what was the average age when one day before the child is born? Now look here, the total age of the family, that is 20 into 3, average age is 20. So 20 into 3, 3 in the sense 3 members, father, mother and a child. Okay, so it is equal to 60. So total age of the family is 60. Child age after 7 years. Okay, from the given time after 7 years, the child age is 11. Okay, that is mentioned here. So at present, what is the child age? 11 minus 7 after 7 years. It is 11 in the sense. Present age is 11 minus 7, it is 4. Okay. So the child is 4 years. Okay, 4 years. And now what we have to do? What was the average age when one day before the child is born? One day before, that is, the child is not born. So what is the average age of the family? How to find out? See, let us take this 60 minus 3 into 4. 4 years. Okay, the child is not born. So before 4 years, how we have to calculate? In the sense, we have to multiply by 3 because the family members 3. So 12. So this year we have to minus from the total age of the family, that is 60 minus 12 is equal to 48. So let us see the child not born. Okay, so how many members are there in the family? Only 2. So 48 divided by 2, it is 24. So now we got the answer. What is the answer? 24. The average age when one day before the child born is 24. See, this problem is Divya secured 46 marks out of 50 in Tamil and 27 marks out of 30 in English, 36 marks out of 40 in Maths and 54 marks out of 60 in Science. In which subject she got more marks? This is very simply we can derive it. How? In the sense, Tamil. Okay, let us take Tamil. Tamil she got 46 out of 50. Okay, how to write this to find out the answer? It is 46 divided by 50 into 100. Okay, so we are finding out the percentage. We can strike out 1 0 here and 1 0, and this 5 here, it is strike this 10, in the sense we get 2. So 46 into 2, it is 92. Okay, come to the English. How many marks did she got? In the sense 27 out of 30. So we have to write like this: 27 by 30 into 100 to find out the percentage. Okay, so 1 0 we strike it, here also we strike, and 27 divided by 3 is, this is 9. Okay, so 9 into 10, it is 90. Coming to the maths, here she got 36 out of 40. So we have to write like this: 36 by 40 into 100. So 10 we strike it, and this 4 we can strike off this 36. So 4 nines are 36. So 9 here, 9 into 10, it is 90%. She got 90% in maths. Whenever when we have taken this science marks, she got 54. 54 out of 60. Okay, so 54 by 60 into 100 we have to take to calculate the percentage. So the 0 is strike out, we can strike this 0. Now see, 54 divided by 6 is 9. So 9 into 10, it is 90. So she got in English 90, in maths 90, science 90%. Whereas in Tamil she got 92. So what is her question? In which subject she got more marks? It is 92. See next one. If the average of the values 9, 6, 7, 8, 5 and x is equal to 8, then find the value of x. It is very simple how to find out. Let us see now. Now let us take these numbers: 9 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 and plus 8 plus x. Okay, this average is 8. Okay, so the numbers, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, so it is divided by 6. Okay, so 9 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 plus x is equal to, x divided by 6 is equal to 8. Okay, this is the average of this given number. Okay, now how to find out the value of x? Let us take, this is addition of this: 9 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to 35, and plus x we have taken. Now the 6 goes there, so 8 into 6, 48. Okay, now let us find out the x. X is equal to 48 minus 35 is equal to 13. So the value of x is 13.